What's up, guys? So today I'm gonna do a video of this coolest fan I've ever seen. And for remote future. Remember the unboxing video? I got a video. So, alright. So please subscribe. Alright, please subscribe. Well, I should try to get up to 100 subscribers first day this week. So, and let's do this thing. Alright, so we're saying to start with flow. So I won't see the remote. See the blue dots, so I'll show you. As you can see, the blue dots means the speed. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Speed 1. Alright, speed 1. And I'll show you the features of the fan. And it blows a lot of air, and it's cool beeping. It's nice. I love the beeping feature. Sorry, the camera just looked like an earthquake. So, sorry it looked like an earthquake. My phone just did, so. It means 2 blues, means speed 2. It's 3. Alright. Speed 3. Speed 3. Sorry about the back. Sorry, my mom's mowing the lawn in the background, so I apologize for that. So, not my mom. Sorry, my neighbors mowing the lawn in the background. So, hi. I'm doing a YouTube video, so I'm my new fan. I got this fan for my 13th birthday, so this thing has remote. This thing, I love it. It's a remote feature. Love the beep features. Alright. Speed 4. Speed 4. And it goes up and down, so go up and down feature. Nice, coolest feature. Got a Woozoo fan. It blows a lot of air. I think it blows so much air. Way to go to this fan, man. Speed 5, and let's do the oscillating feature. Alright, so I'll show you here. And the green button this time. I got this one up. Yeah, the clock feature. I love this feature. And I'm ready for the oscillating feature. Alright, are you guys ready for the oscillating feature? Which I love. For the room. Let's show you here. It goes up and down. This one goes up and down. So, it goes up and down. Ooh, it blows a lot of air. Ooh, I love this thing. Blows a lot of air. And that's a nice feature. That's the coolest feature. I love that. Got the Woozoo. It's made in USA, so keep batteries. Had to keep batteries ready for children because I'm not a kid anymore, because I used to do kid videos, since the old kid videos about parent stuff. So let's get the flashlight feature on. So put the camera back in. Zoom it in. I love the feature. Wait till it goes down and then I'm gonna do the same feature. Do you have? Ooh, I love the outside feature. It's a nice outside feature. It moves all the cords. Doesn't move the cord parts. Doesn't move the cord. Still both features on. It also makes the green buttons like these two, like time. This is like also made so. It's called future of the fan and so I get up and down. Alright, shut this thing down. This thing is called fan feature. It means beep, means stop. Like the unboxing video. Love this feature. Alright, so thank you for watching this video. And please get this video like and subscribe. And don't hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.